here, plus the one in the drone itself. I will definitely be needing Mike Bolero's help because he's the freaking expert on this gimbal and drone stuff. And then there's another box of goodies. I mean, I lucked out. All under 400 for the whole set. You know, so I want to give and yeah, we had to use my military bag to get the rest up. Plus, and that's a backpack in itself, the carrier. So I don't know what to say, Mike. I lucked out, huh?
You lucked out.
Indeed, man. We had a good ride, good fun, all that good stuff. So definitely going to be upgrading. This has a follow me technology, so as long as I have this in my book bag and we're not going more than 35 miles an hour, the way Mike did the video down at Gallopin, it'll actually follow us. So when we're going to bike nights or whatever, as long as we're not ripping, this thing will follow. You know, only problem is it's pretty big, bulky. So, you know.
The revolution will be live.
What's going on, YouTube fam? My behind should be asleep, but I'm over here playing with my GoPro Karma with the Hero 6 Black. And it's like, man, let me tell you, this is gonna be interesting. Got a lot to learn with this sucker, but man, you either go hard or you go home, baby. Some cool things coming down the pipeline. Yeah, I'm sitting in front of the camera, acquiring GPS stuff. Wow, okay, very nice. My brother Mike, look what kind of drone I happened to get lucky to grab. GoPro Karma premium drone with the remote and all that stuff. It has the Hero 6 Black attachment with gimbal. I gotta show you some stuff, man. Like, we're gonna have some fun. Yeah, this thing's a beast.
3, 2, 1.
Flying my drone. Oh, where'd they go? Just getting used to the controls.